Man, this thing, turns out, it was it was a hard drive out of a Norwegian iPod. How neat is that? Hard drive works good, man, this thing runs great. But 20 gigs, man, that doesn't cut it for me. Look how filthy this thing is after. That's Gear's fault anyway. I'm gonna show you how you take out ye olde hard drive and replace it with one of these. Go make sure you glove up. Ah, diddly diddly. Ow. First things first, we gotta get this puppy open, always the hardest bit. Let me show you how to use one of these. Every time you get a battery or anything to fix an iPod, they give you one of these. And what most people try and do is you just dig it in there and they try and reef upwards. Nah, mate. In, down, and then you slide. Because, look at these clips. Look at them. You just want to push them down and pop, 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 pop. You're in, mate. Awesome hard drive. That's got gear. Oh. Yeah. This is a special hard drive to me now. If I ever want Norwegian music, I just got to put this into an iPod and off we go. Right, she's already got a brand new battery from our little servicing in the first video. We're gonna get those pins that line up with these pins. So you just put it in there and we basically have to do, like, this is like reverse Pokemon now. We have to devolve this thing. Micro SD to SD, SD to compact flash to 1.8 IDE. Right, and you just stick her in there. And no lie, if we've done everything right, it should work. Let's plug it in. Oh, poor thing. Still thinks it's Gear's iPod. Look at this filth. All right, hold up. We're gonna put it into disc mode. So, menu middle to reset. And then the bottom two. Give. Uh-oh. Oh man, now we're gonna have to do debug. Menu and middle to reset. Middle and left. Wow, it's not giving us debug mode. Okay. Let's try a more reputable SD to compact flash adapter. The cheap and dirty usually works. Get in there! Oh, it goes that way. Oh, my jimmies. Oh. Weird. That weird. Whatever. This one's more reputable. They usually are. Well, look, we're putting that to bed. Hey. That is interesting. That's good. Oh, whoa. Yeah. Go, baby, go. Oh, my jimmies. It's still formatted for the last time I did this. Then why didn't it just work? Well, what if it does just work? Gear. Oh. Yeah, it's my new favorite sound now. Let's do a reset on it. Literally, you just treat it like any old other. Like, this is my favorite bit, this little part here. Look how official it is, man. It gives you a little 128 tag and everything. Let's try restoring it. Ooh, all right. Gear. Come on, Gear. Yes, go Gear, do it. Welcome to your new iPod. IMAX iPod 128. Oh, baby. We are done. And there it is. Right, one last little thing to do before we wrap this one up. So I've taken some cloth back gaffer's tape. I've made a little double-sided doodler like this because I don't like that board resting on that. So I'm just gonna lift this up. I'm gonna slide that in. It's just something. It doesn't have to be pretty. And I've got these little pre-cut pieces of foam that I like to stick in there. That's all you need. And when that foam compresses, oh, yeah. Ready? No rattles. There you go. 128, good track. This guy was no good. iFlash. They're the ones you want. I'll see you on the next one. We can do this now. It's Flash.